What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have a price update, price prediction on Jasmy, which has more or less fluctuated at the current price range over the last 24 hours. However, we can see a major drop here, not major but quite of a drop late last night, and then we recovered, and right now trading at 0.003172, so it dropped just about half a percentage, which is nothing major anyway. So we're going to be looking at where this crypto is heading to next. Is it time to buy? Is it time to sell? Or is it just time to hold on to it? Covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and looking at his prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, especially with 2023 just around the corner. Is this a must-have crypto, or would you sell it? Would you hold on to it? So on and so on. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we can see here the market is up just about a percentage. However, Jasmy has dropped half a percentage. We can see here in the last hour it has gained just nearly a percentage over the last day. No much movement. Over the week, 15% down, guys. A major drop here on the 16th of December, which was just about four days ago, shall we say. Over the month it has dropped 20%, guys. As you can see, it is not looking too great. It did hit let's have a look here on the 2nd of December. It was 16% up, and ever since then it's been going downhill and it's still dropping in value. So yeah, it is not looking too good for Jasmy. Going into the coin market cap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by 22% in the last 24 hours, making it $20 million in trading, which is still a huge amount of money. Again, we've seen the trading volume go up in the last 24 hours only because of the drop and gain that's taken place. We're going to see a lot of people selling it and a lot of people buying it as well. Obviously, when it drops, we are going to see a lot of people investing into it, buying it, and obviously if they do want to make that quick profit, depending on how much they invested into it, they can sell it when it gained back value a couple of hours later, or even right now as well. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this. This is quite useless. The MACD, sorry, not the MACD indicator, the Fibonacci scale only for Jasmy. I'll explain to you guys later, but for now we're just going to hide this, and we're going to bring up the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So at the top we've also got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, currently valuing Jasmy at 0.03662. However, we can see it trading at a slightly lower value here in green at 0.003179, meaning it is not performing too well and lower than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer as usual. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line slightly heading towards a bullish direction. Again, they're not looking too steep. They are just about slanting towards the positive direction, meaning minimal gains in value are expected over the coming hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, we should expect a very minimal increase in value on Jasmy, potentially hitting 0.0033 cents is what I'm expecting. Nothing too crazy. It is going to be minimal, and again, we are going to see drops in between as well, red and green candles, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side rather than the negative side, especially after the drop that took place last night. I'm expecting it to go through a minimal increase in value. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days still looking bullish, still looking positive, guys. We got the blue and the orange line going in a positive direction, and once again they are just about slanting towards a positive direction, which is exactly what we want to see. So again, an overall minimal gain in value is what we should expect over the coming days. So towards the end of this week, very early next week, more or less, we should expect Jasmy to be trading around 0.0035 to 0.0036 is what my predictions are. Again, this may change according to any new updates, any crypto crashes, crypto pumps, so on and so on. But at the moment, I'm expecting a minimal increase in value. And guys, make sure you understand the keyword here is minimal increase in value. Don't expect a major pump or a major increase, unless of course the whole crypto market goes through that. Nothing is expected from Jasmy at the moment. Moving on to the daily chart, now we have taken quite of a U-turn. The orange line has definitely taken a U-turn. It is now facing the negative direction. It is looking a little bit bearish. However, the blue line is still looking slightly bullish. So essentially, we've got both the blue and the orange line going the opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what we should expect over the coming weeks. So late January to mid February 2023, we should expect it to more or less fluctuate at the current price range. And as you can see, Jasmy has more or less been dropping in value over the last couple of months. From the start of the year all up until now, it has gone through quite of a drop in value and is still ongoing. So yes, even though I'm expecting it to more or less fluctuate at the current price range, it's likely over the coming months, so by mid to late next year, is going to slowly and steadily start to, drop in value, just like how it's been over the last 12 to 14 months. Is likely to carry on this way and go towards the negative direction. So at the moment, I am not investing into Jasmy. I did invest into it, not a lot, because I didn't believe in the crypto fully, so I thought, you know what, let me just chuck a little bit in there. Nothing too crazy. I'm not even going to mention how much it is, but yeah, I'm still holding on to it. I'm not buying more, I'm not selling it, I'm just holding on to it for the long run. Again, if you guys have been watching my videos, you would know that I'm into crypto for the long term rather than the short term. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. And I did mention earlier, there is no point looking at the Fibonacci scale. Only reason is we are trading in the lowest part of the red zone, and for us to hit the green zone or hit the resistance target of this line here, we're gonna have to hit $1.18, which we are not even close to. For us to hit that target, is going to require us to go through over a 5, 6, 7,000% increase. I'm not even going to do the calculation right now or the maths, but yeah, it's somewhere along those lines in the thousands percentage, which I'm not expecting from Jasmy anytime soon. So more or less, very likely over the next few years, we are going to be stuck in the red zone, because even if it did, think that it will hit the green zone over the next couple of years, then I'll definitely be investing into the crypto right now, only because going from not even 1 cent, guys, not even half a cent, all the way to $1.18, your return on investment would be absolutely crazy. That it's not even very, very, very unlikely that it's going to take place. The possibilities are very, very low. So yeah, I'm keeping away from it at the moment. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Jasmy, guys. Let me know what your expectations and your predictions are for 2023 on this crypto. How high or how low can it go? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto, as I've seen a lot of positive as well as a lot of negative comments. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I'm trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.